Well, this axe did not survive. Unfortunately, it... see if I can get it there. It broke. My chisel line was not great, so it's gone. Bye-bye. New plan. I've got another piece of flat bar mild steel. I've gone and cut some lines in it so I can see exactly where I'm cutting or exactly where I'm going to be hitting. And I'm going to make another axe. This is axe take 3, I believe. Get this shoulder formed in here for this new axe, since the last one didn't make it. Do the same to the other side. I'm taking thin down the material for the center. Take another heat. Change my camera angle. Hopefully it's better. Drawing this center section down so it's thinner. Slow process. Jumping around a little bit on the anvil there on me. Now that I've got the center section for the eye thinned down to about half the width of the parent stock, I'm going to start working on the ends, and I'm going to draw them out a little thinner and actually widen them up for the axe face. I'm going to use a cross-peen hammer to spread the material out this way instead of drawing it out that way. Oh, lost my heat. Take another heat. Alright, getting that widened out. We'll switch over to the other side now. Alright, we've got these ends spread apart. We thinned it down, drawn it out. Now we're going to fold the eye. Hopefully. Start the bend. Push this down. Oh, a little hard to hold on to the ends. There we go. Keep working this until we have it pretty square. All right, getting close. A little toasty. Keep those shoulders nice and even. There we go. All right. Now, got that closed up. What I'm going to do is borax it back in the fire for our first welding heat. I'm going to weld this center part. I'm going to leave the outer part not welded so I can insert the cutting bit in later.